Okay, good morning, friend. Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the singular integral equation. Singular integral equation are basically those equations in which the kernel of the integral equation is unbounded, and when one or both the limit of the integration become infinite, uh, or the kernel become infinite at one or more points within the range of integration, then the integration is known as singular linear integral equation. For example, in this case the upper and lower limit both are infinite, then this integral equation is a singular integral equation, and the kernel is undefined. In if the kernel is undefined inside the domain, then or one or more point, the kernel of become infinite at one or more point and undefined at one or more point, then the integral is known as singular integral equation. Next is the types of the kernel. Basically we have two types of the kernel. One is a symmetric kernel, symmetric and non-symmetric, and degenerate kernel. Symmetric kernels are also known as complex symmetric and Hermitian kernel. A kernel, if satisfy this condition k of x comma t equal to k conjugate t comma x, is known as this is a complex conjugate, k bar is complex conjugate, is known as Hermitian symmetric kernel, complex symmetric kernel, and if not, then it is not a complex symmetric kernel. A real kernel is known as symmetric if k of x comma t equal to k of t comma x. Only we can replace the variable t and x. We can put t at the place of x and x at the place of t. For example, k of x comma t equal to sine x plus t. For this kernel, when we replace t by x and x by t, then we again find the same function sine of x plus t. So this and this both are the symmetric kernel. But in the second example, k of x comma t equal to sine 2x plus 3t, when you replace t by x and x by t, then the function convert in the form of sine 2t plus 3x. In this case, sin k of x comma t does not equal to k of t comma x. In this case, the kernel is not a symmetric kernel. Similarly for this, and for the complex kernel, k of x comma t equal to iota x minus t, this kernel is symmetric because when we replace x and t, and also we take the conjugate of I is minus I, then k conjugate x comma t equal to minus iota uh, t and t minus x, and after solving this we again find the same kernel. In this case, this kernel is the symmetric complex kernel or Hermitian complex kernel. In this example, k of x comma t equal to iota x plus t, when we take the complex conjugate of this, then we have minus iota t plus x. In this case, this does not equal to k of x comma t. In this case, this is not a symmetric kernel. Next is the separable or degenerate kernel. A kernel is called separable if it can be expressed as the sum of the finite number of terms, and each term finite number of terms in which the function of the product of x and t only, and the functions are the product of the x independent variable x and t only, where the kernel k of x comma t equal to I equal to 1 to n gi x plus hit. This is the separable or degenerate kernel. Okay, this is the all about the types of the kernel, and about the singular integral equation. Now in next lecture we will learn about some example of the kernel. Thank you.